Hello everyone, today I am super excited to be unboxing Doctor Who The Collection Season 26. I cannot wait to open this up and take a look at it today on the Doctor Who Guide. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Doctor Who Guide, a community where it's all about helping each other grow our knowledge collection and connection with other Doctor Who fans. I'm your host Alex Patterson, and if you want to help support the channel at no extra cost to you, using the affiliate links in the description down below is a great way to do that whenever you're shopping on Amazon, eBay, Forbidden Planet, and more. All of those sites are linked in the description down below, so thank you so much to everybody who's currently doing that. Let's get into the unboxing. Let's open it up. So here we have the package. Now I did order this from Zavvi. I had it pre-ordered from ages back. I've had some bad experiences with Zavvi lately. About half of the items I ordered from them arrived broken, so I'm hoping that this isn't the case, but there's only one way to find out, so let's open it up. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Alright. Here it is. Look at that. That looks like it's in good condition. Yay! And I'm not hearing any rattling either. Let's unseal it. Oh my gosh. Here it is. That looks absolutely stunning. That artwork is incredible. Let's take the J card off and take a look. Oh my gosh. That is stunning. Alright, look at that beautiful set. We've got the 7th Doctor in the middle there, looking incredible. We've got him in his season 24 outfit. I absolutely love the background. The 7th Doctor's expression looks amazing as well, and he's holding a spoon. We have the Ronnie in the center there. We have the Chief Caretaker, one of the robots from Paradise Towers. We have a Tetrap and Gavrok, and then another of the creatures there. Absolutely captures the feel of season 24. Alright, so this is the front of the J card. We have the Doctor Who logo. It's 8 discs, rated 12, and we have that artwork from the front. On the side, we have the season 24 border, the rating, and BBC logo, and that is the same on the other side. On the back, up at the top here, we have the 7th Doctor with Mel as well as Ace. We've got a list of the episodes included. Down below, we have a list of all of the new bonus features. There is seriously so much. Just take your time, pause this video, and read about all of those. Each disc also comes with previously released special features. We've got credits and more information there. This is what the binding looks like. We have the Blu-ray logo, and then we have a window with the artwork from the front. We've got the BBC Doctor Who logo. It says the collection, it says season 24, and BBC down below. This is what we have on the back. We've got the TARDIS. This looks upside down, but this is the right way to hold it. I suppose you could turn it upside down and take a look at it that way. My set does have this interesting crease down the back. I don't know if that's typical or not, but we've got the TARDIS there being shot out of the sky. This is what the top of the set looks like. This is what the side of the set looks like. And this is what the bottom of the set looks like. If we open it up, we can take a look at the inside. Oh my gosh, look at that. We've got the TARDIS there. This is set in Paradise Towers. We have the Doctor and Mel there conferring. And look at that. That is amazing. Here we have the disc holder, and once again, there's no room for your fingers to get in at the discs, so you have to tip it open each time. Here is the first disc. This is disc 1, which has Time of the Ronnie, part 1, and who else would you have on the very first 7th Doctor disc other than the man himself, Sylvester McCoy, in the 6th Doctor's outfit, and of course we have a Tetrap behind him. Oh my gosh, this is so great. This is disc 2, which has Time of the Ronnie, part 2. This is why I love Lee Binding's work. Here the artwork isn't just artwork, it's utilizing the format of the disc to create the bubble that Mel is trapped inside, and I think that's so clever. Here we have disc 3, which has Paradise Towers part 1, and we have the Doctor facing off against the Chief Caretaker. What a great shot for both of them. That's really cool. Oh my gosh, this is disc 4, which is Paradise Towers part 2. I cannot believe that this shot made it onto disc art. Such great characters, such a great moment. Oh my gosh. This is disc 5, which has Delta and the Bannerman part 1, and we've got an incredible shot of Mel and the 7th Doctor. This is disc 6, which has Delta and the Bannerman part 2. We have Gavrok on the left and one of the Shimmeron on the right. So it's cool to see those two get a chance to shine on the artwork. This gets me. This is disc 7. It has Dragonfire part 1. It's so simple but so amazing. It's a shot of the goodbye scene between the Doctor and Mel. It's such a heartwarming scene, and I love that they chose to commemorate it. This is disc 8, which has Dragonfire part 2 and Ace on the disc art there, looking incredible. TARDIS in the background. Behind disc 8, we have this incredible artwork of Sylvester McCoy from the theme with that silver face and the incredible galaxy background there. Really cool design. If we open it up, we can take a look at the booklet holder. Look at that artwork. Oh my gosh, that is just stunning. And if we open it up, we have a bit of Doctor Who promo. This is the front. This is page 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 9, 10 and 11, and the back. Then we have the booklet that looks incredible. We'll look at that in a second. Look at what this panorama is. We have the 6th Doctor there regenerating into the 7th Doctor. We've got the TARDIS console sparking. We have Nell on the floor there. We've got the exercise bike. And we have a shot of Lakersha. What an amazing fold-out diorama. There's so much going on here. It's not just the console room. Fun. All right, let's take a look at the booklet. This is the cover with page 1. This is page 2 and 3 with an incredible picture of Sylvester McCoy and a quote there. This is what I'm talking about when I say that there are so many bonus features. They need 2 pages just to list what's on disc 1. So that's pages 4 and 5. This is page 6 and 7, page 8 and page 9. And we have this wonderful artwork from Time and Rani. Pages 10 and 11. Page 12 and 13 covers discs 3 and 4. Page 14 and 15. Page 14 has a full page artwork from Paradise Towers, which looks absolutely stunning. I love that. Page 16 and 17 with a picture of Sylvester McCoy that they use in the theme. Then we have the disc contents for discs 5 and 6 starting on page 17. And continuing on, we have page 18 and 19, 20 and 21. And we have some artwork here from Delta and the Bannermen that looks amazing. Pages 22 and 23 with the disc contents for discs 7 and 8. Page 24 and 25 with a full page, well, sort of half page artwork from Dragonfire. We have all sorts of characters from Dragonfire and the main trio as well. Then we have page 26 and 27, and on the back, look at that, we have pictures of all 3 of our main characters. That's so exciting. I love it. What an incredible booklet. The one thing I will say is that the discs, in addition to having to tip it over to access them, getting the discs in and out is a bit difficult, but that's my only qualm with this set. Well, I am thrilled to bits with this set. It has arrived safely, and I am so excited to add it to the collection. Thanks so much for watching. Comment down below with your favorite episodes from season 24, with your favorite bonus features. How have you been enjoying this set? Are you waiting for the standard edition to come out? Will you get the US edition? Comment down below. I'd love to know your thoughts. Stay safe, keep growing your knowledge collection and connection with other Doctor Who fans. Albert the Adipose says hello, and we both hope to see you in the next video. Bye!